In this particularly short episode of PIERO U, we're going to be installing PIERO Touch on macOS. Although in theory, just about any Mac should do, I recommend using one at least with Apple Silicon. Please note that a version of PIERO Touch exists for Windows too. Before you get started, make sure your Touch machine has good network access to your PIERO machine. We highly recommend against using Wi-Fi since NDI is very sensitive to latency. Also, ensure that your touchscreen is working with your Mac. There's no license for PIERO Touch app, so you can install it on any number of devices. If you need help getting hold of the PIERO Touch installer, please contact Ross Technical Support. Once the installer is on your Mac, simply double-click on the installer DMG. Now, drag the PIERO Touch app into the Applications folder. And that's it. Feel free to make a shortcut to the application if you wish.